My insides all turn to ash, so slow, and blew away as I collapsed, so cold.